Good day, one and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned into the Market Beast edition. It is your fellow compadre speaking. Of course, we're going to talk about Zoom, guys. I actually have an interesting twist or scenario, whatever, on Zoom for you guys. So stick around to the end. If you are a Zoom bull, stick around to the end. Also, if you're a bear, you might want to listen to this if you've been betting against Zoom. If you guys are just joining us, welcome in, guys. It's really nice to have you. Hit that subscribe button, leave a comment so that I can personally welcome you into the charts, guys. The YouTube algorithm picks up on this channel and the videos. We appreciate every single one of you guys for supporting the channel. Serious, thank you guys, okay? Let's go ahead and talk about Zoom. Interesting twist I want to go over with you guys. And I'm going to let you know, do I still see a 20% move to the downside? Are we still expecting a bullish counter move? I actually made a really good call. You guys let me know in the comment section what you think after you listen in on this video. So let's go ahead and, not waste time. Let's dive right into this Zoom chart here, shall we? All right, so today is January the 6th, 2021, and the previous close of Zoom is going to be $344.41. It's down about 4.5% for the day. Okay. All right, guys, so it looks like the Zoom symbol is really tired of this downward pressure, guys. I'm going to let you know exactly what I mean by that. But let's just revisit the previous video where we made the call. Just basically to sum everything up, you guys are going to hear the price targets. We're going to verify if this actually played out. This video was posted on December the 30th, 2020. And just go ahead and listen in on that information. And that information in that video goes as followed. But what I personally will be looking for over the next 7 days, the critics are on me, guys. So I have to conclude this right now and just document where I see the price going. And of course, I could be wrong. That's fine. Over the next 7 days, I'm going to be looking for a bullish counter move to the upside to and possibly through the $365 level, potentially reaching even as high as $375. And that will be my prediction. So there you have it, folks. Over the next 7 days that we posted on December the 30th, 2020, we said we will likely see a bullish counter move to and possibly through the $365 level, even as high as $375. So the area that I just circled is the day that we actually came out with the video. So obviously the price actually went down, and then it actually went up to the $65 level. The close on this candle here, it actually reached all the way up to, $365 and a penny on that candle right there, guys. And I said possibly through the $65 level all the way up to $375. And that's actually what I wanted to really stop in here and talk to you guys about. I want to play Zoom long. I wish I would have seen the close today. I wasn't paying attention to Zoom. If I would have seen this close, guys, I would have definitely taken a short-term contract to play this up to and possibly through the $370 level. I think that's where I would feel a little bit more comfortable in taking out a play. We'll see how the market's open tomorrow. Today is, I never know what day it is, guys. Sorry. Today is Wednesday, so tomorrow the market day will be open on Thursday. I would like to play this up to the upside, guys. Very short-term play because I still do think that there is overhead resistance. I think the sellers are still in the market, guys. I'm not really sure why I'm whispering, but the overhead pink line here should act as resistance once again. I don't think the aggressive buyers have stepped into the market just yet, but we'll see, guys. I'm expecting a bullish counter move. I can only see so far out in terms of what's going on in the charts. So that's what I'm seeing, at least a move up to $365, even possibly $75 over the next 7 days. I don't think it'll take longer than 2 weeks for this to play out. So excuse me. That's what I wanted to stop into here and let you guys know on an emergency update. Zoom is about to rip to the upside. I think it will likely be, like I said, guys, I think, let's just measure it on out here. From the current level, it's going to be about, so 375 is about a 10% move to the upside. And I don't think the coast will be clear, guys. I truly think that the sellers are just going to step in more aggressively. So be careful if you guys are going to play this to the long side, if you could just kind of jump on the train, so to speak, or trying to jump on the bandwagon, so to speak, if the price does move up 10% in a 24-hour period towards the close of this week, okay? So that's what we're going to be expecting, or that's what I'm expecting to see less than 48 hours from today. I'm seeing a bullish counter move in Zoom, guys. I'm not sure if I'm going to play it down if I actually play it to the upside. We'll see. I'll stop in and let you guys know what I'm seeing. It's likely the charts will actually present some sort of evidence to suggest whether or not it's going to be a turnaround if it actually gets that high. I mean, I think it can continue going down, guys. Remember, I don't think the aggressive buyers have stepped into the market just yet. I do have, for those of you who are just joining us, I said that it could potentially get down as far as 20% below this line down here, because this is actually a potential bearish consolidation range. I think it's pretty clear. You see this bearish consolidation range. It kind of broke down, bearish consolidation. So many lines there. So I think you guys are just joining us. You get it, right? Per history, it should have broken down about 20% to the downside, assuming that I was going to consolidate like this little pattern here and just break down. It went down a total of about 20%. So we were assuming that the same thing would happen here in this box, and then we'll go down about 20%. So far, I think the price has gone down. Let's go ahead and measure that. Let's see here. So far, it only been down about 7%. And we did entertain the fact that there could be a bullish counter move before the thrust to the downside. I think that's what's taking place, guys. Let's just let this play out and, yeah, over the next 48 hours and revisit this. But I'm expecting, for the critics, guys, here in closing here, listen up. I am expecting that bullish counter move to go ahead and finish out over the next 48 hours. You got, excuse me, I'm a little cold here. Sorry. Over the next 48 hours, I'm anticipating a move to the upside, possibly to $375. And after that, maybe, guys, maybe, okay, to the downside. Okay, so towards that green line down there, 279. Maybe it won't play out, guys. You know, I'm just a speculator, guys. I get this stuff wrong a lot, and I make a pretty good calls as well. So let's see what happens over the next 48 hours. We'll stop back in with you guys. Hopefully you got my prediction. Rewind it back if you didn't get that, critics. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for joining us here. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys are going to play this to the upside. I don't recommend that. This is what we're doing with our portfolio, so you're going to do that at your own risk, okay? And before you go, we also cover the alternative markets, Bitcoin and altcoins, if you guys are into that. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for your time. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolio. We're going to talk very soon. And bye for now.